Hello, my dear student. Today we are going to discuss a topic on importance of rest, sleep and exercise. Hectic schedule has become a part of our day-to-day lifestyle. Most of the activities include sedentary style of work, thus leading to different kind of diseases. People are so much involved in their hectic work that we have almost forgotten to rest and exercise. Human body naturally needs ample amount of rest, sleep and exercise for the proper and better functioning of the body mechanism. Without this, the human body will suffer from fatigue, stress, depression, obesity and all other kinds of cardiovascular related diseases. Thus, to lead a healthy lifestyle in today's sedentary style of living, importance of rest, sleep and exercise must be practiced in a proper manner. So now we have importance of rest. Rest is an important part of healthy lifestyle for all ages. It rejuvenates the body and the mind, regulates the moods, and it's linked to learning and memory function. On the other hand, not getting enough rest can negatively affect the mood, immune system, memory and stress level. Then, what is adequate rest? Growing evidence shows that chronic lack of sleep increases the risk for developing obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, infection, cognitive difficulties and mood problems. Those who got 7 to 8 hours sleep per night live significantly longer than those who got less. This gives a good clue to how much sleep we need. Sleep requirement seems to be vary somewhat among people, but everyone should wake up fresh and feel rested during the day, not tired. Children need 9 to 10 hours and teens need 8 to 9 hours because their body and brain are still growing. Some adults also seems to feel and function best if they regularly get 8 to 9 hours. Then why rest is important for our health? During the day, the body is actively coping with many demands made upon it that often result in physical, mental and emotional strain. This state is called catabolism. The body is breaking down stored energy and reserve to meet demands. At night, when the body is resting, another form of metabolism takes place called anabolism. This involves repairing damaged tissue, strengthening the body and building of health and energy reserves. If sleep is inadequate, the body doesn't have the time it needs for repair and building back health reserves. Eventually, the body becomes exhausted, fatigue set in, and health and quality of life are seriously impaired. Now we have relaxation and other therapies. Relaxation can help overcome the tension and anxiety often felt as a consequence of insomnia. Those experiencing disturbed sleep have trouble unwinding sufficiently to get a good night's rest, and for many excessive mental activity and racing thoughts prevent them from getting off to sleep or wake them up frequently or too early. Therefore, it's important to know how to properly relax. Cognitive behavioral therapy, so-called CBT, can help resolve our sleep problems. CBT is a program of psychological treatment that, when applied towards sleep, can correct mistaken ideas and negative thoughts that can cause sleeplessness and make it worse. It actually treats the cause of insomnia and not just the symptom, and can help by changing negative thoughts about sleep and learning more accurate information in order to replace the negative thoughts with more positive thought and belief. The most common form of CBT are stimulus control, sleep restriction, and sleep hygiene. Now we have relaxation and breathing. Stressful lifestyle, working late, and watching intense television shows or the news are some of the factors that can contribute to the mind racing and being unable to wind down. It is important to know the importance of being relaxed before bed and to have and apply knowledge of effective relaxation techniques to apply in order to experience deep, restful sleep. Now we have relaxing the body. This can be done in bed and works by relaxing separate group of muscles. It is also effective to visualize each set of muscle being relaxed as one go through the exercise. Number 1, tense a muscle by contracting and fixing for 7 to 10 seconds. Do not strain the muscle. Number 2, visualize the muscle being tense and feel the build-up tension. Then number 3, release each muscle, allowing the body to relax before going on to the next muscle. Now we have number 4, keep other muscles relaxed whilst working on a particular muscle. Now we have breathing. The effects of deep breathing are largely psychological, but it can bring about a physiological response in the body. It can normalize the heart and respiration rate and calm the individual. Now we have an exercise. As well as relaxing before bed, breathing exercise can be used whenever anything upsetting happens and before one reacts. It can be done anywhere because one do not have to lie on the back. Number 1, sit up with the back straight and place the tip of tongue just behind the upper front teeth throughout the entire exercise. Number 2, practice exhaling with the tongue in this position. Number 3, now close the mouth and inhale through nose for 4 seconds. Then number 4, hold the breath for 7 seconds, then exhale through mouth, taking 8 seconds to exhale completely. Then number 5, repeat 3 to 4 times and try to accurate with the counting. Lastly, number 6, do this every evening before bed. Importance of sleep. Adequate sleep is a central part of a healthy lifestyle. During sleep, the body, the brain actively work to support healthy brain and body function. Memory is improved with sleep. Sleeping seems to enhance learning as if it were extra practice. Sleeping seems to enhance learning as if it were extra practice. Sleep is also vital for the child's physical health, as for example, sleeping well support the immune system which helps to fight infections, and thus sleep may decrease the risk of getting sick. While we sleep, our body and mind remain at work as many important processes take place. For instance, short-term memories are converted into long-term memories in a process called memory consolidation. Sleep also helps our body to physically restore itself. During sleep, our body's growth hormone production reaches its peak. This hormone speeds the absorption of nutrients and amino acids into our cells and aid the healing of tissue throughout our body. Growth hormone also stimulates our bone marrow. Lack of sleep can lead towards many health problems. The risks for heart disease and type 2 diabetes are also high, and there's a growing body of evidence showing that poor sleep pattern is directly linked to overweight and obesity. There are a number of reasons for this: low level of serotonin and consequently melatonin levels, which make us more likely to eat more sugary foods and refined carbohydrate foods because this food increase level of serotonin. Lack of sleep has also been shown to increase level of the hunger hormone ghrelin that stimulates appetite and make us feel hungry, and it decreases level of satiety hormones leptin, which gives us the satisfied feeling after eating that prompts us to stop eating. On average, most adults seems to need around 7 to 8 hours sleep per night, though this can vary from one person to person. As we grow older, our sleep pattern changes, and as we go through our life stages, we tend to sleep less. Older adults tend to sleep less not because they need less sleep, but because we are more likely to experience disturbed sleeps as we grow older. Women are more likely to experience insomnia and sleep disturbances than men. Insomnia is simply being awake when we want to sleep. Now we have importance of sleep to child's health. Sleep affects how children feel and function. By helping the child to get the recommended amount of sleep, we can improve the child's health, psychological well-being, and safety. Sleep is key to child's growth and development as well as his or her ability to learn. The child's need for sleep changes with age. There may be individual differences between children, but the basic requirements are as follows. Number 1, preschool age children need to sleep 10 to 12 hours. Number 2, school age children need at least 9 hours. Number 3, adolescent need 9 hours. Number 4, adult need 7 to 8 hours. Now we have consequences of sleep loss. Sleep deprivation suppresses immune function, making more susceptible to the bacteria and viruses. Chronic sleep deprivation puts us at a greater risk for a number of healthy problems, including number 1, obesity, number 2, heart disease, number 3, hypertension, number 4, mood disorder. Importance of exercise. Good physical conditioning of the body is very important. All of us cannot be athletic champion, but all of us can improve the functioning of our heart, lungs, and muscles. Physical conditioning can be achieved with little or no exercise equipment. All that is required is a little time each day and a greater deal of determination and patience. Regular exercise causes the heartbeat to grow stronger and steadier. and breathing to become deeper. As the flow of blood through the tissue is improved, waste products of the cells are removed more effectively. The body uses energy more efficiently in both physical and mental tasks, and coordination is improved. Physically active people are less likely to get heart attack and other forms of cardiovascular diseases than sedentary people. Exercise should be something that one enjoys doing. One of the most practical and enjoyable exercises is walking. Walking is as natural to the human body as breathing. In it, all the foot, legs and hip muscles and much of the back muscles are involved. The abdominal muscles tend to contract and support their share of the weight, and the diaphragm and the rib muscles increases their action. The arm and shoulder muscles move automatically. The shoulder and neck muscles get into play as the head is held erect, and the eye muscles are exercised as a person looks around him. Now we have benefits of exercise. Number 1, exercise control weight. Exercise can help prevent excess weight gain or help maintain weight loss. When a person is engaged in physical activity, it can burn calories. The more intense the activity, the more calories can be burned. Number 2, exercise combat health condition and diseases. In fact, regular physical activity can help to prevent or manage a wide range of health problems and concerns, including stroke, metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, depression, certain types of cancer, arthritis, and falls. Then number 3, exercise improves mood. Physical activity stimulates various brain chemicals that may leave the feeling happier and more relaxed. Exercise may also feel better about the appearance of a person. When a person exercises regularly, it can boost the confidence and improve the self-esteem. Then number 4, exercise boosts energy. Regular physical activity can improve the muscle strength and boost the endurance. Exercise and physical activity deliver oxygen and nutrient to the tissue and help the cardiovascular system work more efficiently. Exercises can also enhance the heart, lungs to work more efficiently. Then number 5, exercise promotes better sleep. Regular physical activity can help the person fall asleep faster and deepen the sleep. But it is not advisable to exercise too close to bedtime, or one may be too energized to fall asleep. Number 6, exercise puts the spark back into the sex life. Regular physical activity can leave the feeling energized and looking better, which may have a positive effect on the sex life. But there is more to it than that. Regular physical activity can lead to enhanced arousal for women, and men who exercise regularly are less likely to have problem with erectile dysfunction than those men who do not exercise. Number 7, exercise can be fun. Exercise and physical activity can be a fun way to spend some time. It gives one a chance to unwind, enjoy the outdoor, or simply engage in activities that make him happy. Physical activity can also help one connect with family or friends in a fun social setting. Now we have conclusion. Rest sleep and exercises are all collectively an important part of a healthy lifestyle for all ages. They can rejuvenate the body and mind, regulate the mood, and is linked to learning and memory functions. Enough rest boosts up the immune system and lower the stress levels, thus contributing to a healthy living. Thank you very much.